One of Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. He said that anybody wey no want Biafra to come this 2024, he say make him prepare to pack him bag. They run up and down. No, say as he beat them for body now, they go put am woto for inside all the whole people wey no want make Biafra come. My people, let's go and find out how take talk this thing and how take dey happen. No, hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today not the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome, and share this video so that we go hear and know wetin dey go on for inside this matter, because information na be the key. Yeah, my people, as e dey hot o, na so we see dey bring and dey come. Let's listen and also hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army talk for this video, and for the end you go let me know your own opinion. Let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
So, may this year bring favor to your soul. May this year bring happiness to your soul. May this year be the highest year that you will never forget in order. 2024 is indeed the year of glory. I wish you a happy new year. The great year of freedom to Biafrans. This is the year. And I want to tell you, my brother and my sisters, my fellow Biafrans, do not lose guards. As you are celebrating this year of freedom, always be watchful. Don't fail to keep a distance. Don't fail to keep a distance to every checking point. And don't fail to relocate away from barrack. Do not fail to keep to every instruction given to you. It is for your own good, because we have entered the most dangerous phase of this struggle. The most dangerous phase, we are just activating gear 4 right now, right here, today, the beginning of 2024. The 2024 have just activated gear 4 of this struggle, because we are on a very high speed to get this work done. This very job Chukwukika Abiyama have given to us must bring to an end this very year. Believe you me, it must come to an end. Those who will die, and those who will live to continue to live and carry this glory of Biafra to the highest peak of the world. The world know this. The darkness know this. The children of darkness, they are equally know this. So therefore, get prepared. Because in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. We must destroy every evil and all the enemies of Biafra. Beloved homeland of our great heroes, we must defend our lives or we shall perish. We must protect our souls from all our foes. But if the price is there for we were dear, then let us die without a shred of fear. So my brothers and my sisters, I do not intend to dwell long in this my very broadcast, this very new year, than to tell you why you are enjoying the new year. If you have make it,
you should also prepare to destroy the enemy of the land. They are not happy that you make it. They are not happy that their evil plan to destroy us is no longer working. So therefore, let's destroy them once and for all. I wish you the glorious day ahead. Then this also goes to those of our brother who have already choose to be a sacrificial lamb, that Biafra may come. I am talking about those of Biafrans who are in northern part of Nigeria and in west. We have given them enough time to return back home safely, but then choose to sacrifice themselves. We could no longer, and we can no longer, we shall never be able anymore to wait for them. And so therefore, I will not hesitate to wish them the best of luck if they are able to escape from the death that is waiting for them in the northern part of Nigeria and in the western part of Nigeria. Because definitely, they do not see the handwriting on the wall. 5 years ago, the great prophet known as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been warning you to relocate your businesses down to east, that the worst is about to happen. Do you hear him? Yes, you hear him, but you think it was a joke. You never pay attention to him. You never did, or you never do as he have been instructed you to do. Now, who is crying? Are you not the one that is crying? Listen to the latest news. Computer Village is about to be demolished. Who are the people doing the highest business in Computer Village in Lagos? It is Biafrans. Who are the people to cry if that big market is being demolished? You are said Biafrans. The very stubborn ones who believe in one Nigeria. People that never love your father, and you wake up and you think they can love you. You are the big fool. Our people say, a child who refused to learn what killed his father, that what killed his father will also kill him. Because you refuse to learn what killed your father in order for you to escape from what killed your father, you think that your father's death was just a natural death or the will of God, then so shall you meet your doom. These people never love you. They will never love you. There is nothing you will do to make them love you. You are an infidel. You are a sacrificial lamb. You are nothing. Nothing. The earlier you learn that, the better for you. So those of you who refuse to return back home this Xmas and save your neck, I wish you rest in peace. No better way than that. Don't tell me it is too early. I must tell you the message of God. Chukwu Okike Abiama gave me message to give you, and I must deliver this message. No better way than this very new beginning. You are gone. gather weapon to kill few before you then kill you. This is the only advice I can advise you. If you are still in western part of Nigeria, if you are still in northern part of Nigeria, keep weapon close to you to kill, even though now one person you go take to hell. It's better for you. At least you do not die alone. Choose to die with your enemy. But those of you who are able to make it to the east and south, I wish you luck. I wish you best. I wish you long life. And I also wish you to get prepared for the worst that is about to happen. This year, 2024, may not favor all of us. Yes. If you make it to 2025, don't forget those who sacrifice that you may live. And of course, we are not afraid of dying for what we love so dearly. This 2024 is going to be one of the best years so far in the history of years. In this very generation, yes. But it's also going to be the worst year to the enemies of Biafra and to all the sabotage of Biafra land. Believe you me. We have come that we may restore Biafra. And Biafra we must restore. This is the portions of land Chukwukika Abiyama gave to our great-great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. And we have taken an oath to hand over this land to our children and our children unborn without the presence of Fulani, without the presence of Hausa, without the presence of Yoruba, without the presence of Britain in it. And so shall it be. And our children and our children will enjoy this great land of Biafra in peace and harmony, serving Chukwukika Abiyama, the Creator. And in this land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. So, brethren, you are once again welcome to this great year of freedom, 2024. I believe you are ready. As I always told you, to gather your trumpet and your band ready for celebration of freedom, because freedom is here already. Freedom is here already. Freedom of Biafra is here already. Thank you very much. The enemies of Biafra have been receiving it woto. I believe some of you have been hearing the news. Believe you me, network have been so very bad for my area that I could not break the news on time for you people. But believe you me, they are packing. We are sending them packing. They have only one option. Either they stay and die or they run with their life. And that is it. They are being destroyed beyond repair. And we are pulling them down totally this year. Thank you very much, my lovely family of Facebooks. Share this message like this message and give me your comments. I really want this year to be a remarkable year for all Biafrans and the lovers of freedom. Thank you for those of you who have been checking on me. Thank you very much for those of you who have never failed to pray for the men on ground. Keep praying for us. God has been hearing your prayer. Believe you me. He has been hearing your prayer. I will not fail to appreciate all of you that have been checking on me, that have been praying for men on ground. May Chukwu guide and protect all of you. May God bless Biafra government in exile and the homeland. Long live Nnamdi Kanu. Long live the great Prime Minister Simon Ekpa. Long live all the concretes, the Biafrans warlord. Long live my fellow concrete. Long live to all well-wishers of Biafrans. Long live Biafrans. And all over the world will help Biafra this very year, 2024. I thank you so very much. From me, from the land of the rising sun, the battlefield itself, I would like to say good morning to all of you once again. And may Chukwu Kikabiama continue to bless you all and protect and guide you all. Ineke will bring you favor. Ore will bring you favor and blessing. Nkwo will bring you favor and blessing. And you will never lack. Your enemy will never rejoice over you. But those that wish you death will die in your place. And so shall it be now and forevermore. He said, let celebration begin.
Yeah, my people, make sure say you share this video and also leave your own opinion in comment section. If I agree for wetin talk, may you write for comment section say I agree. But if you not agree for wetin talk, may you let us know your own disagree for inside, because our own work not to bring information of wetin dey happen. Our own work not to share the video and also leave your own opinion so that other people go also know wetin dey happen. We'll talk put for the matter for inside comment section. Okay, my wonderful people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. Thank you for sharing and thank you for following this page. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel as it dey hot.